Hello everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to create a custom photo frame in just a few simple steps. It's a fun and easy way to add a personal touch to your home. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 1 material 1, 2 material 2, 3 material 3, 4 optional material, and of course your creativity. Step 1. Prepare your base. Let's start by a short description of the first step. Ensure everything is clean and ready before moving forward. Step 2. Add the design. Now it's time to describe the second step. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Step 3. Final touches. Finally describe the last step. This step ties the entire project together beautifully. And there it is, your very own DIY project name. Isn't it amazing what you can create with just a little effort and imagination? If you enjoyed this DIY project, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more creative ideas. And if you try this out, tag me in your photos. I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. *Q, upbeat music, and fade out.